We are extremely proud of our past. From the very beginning, back in 1975, our company was founded on the values of our owners to take care of their employees and customers. These values have helped us build the reputation that we enjoy today as a remarkable place to work and a contractor that our customers can rely on. These same values are what we live out today, and we're excited about the journey ahead. We want to prove that more is possible by adding new locations and offering new products and services. Why is this important to us? We want to create remarkable experiences for our customers, stretch our employees by providing them with opportunities for growth and development, and make an impact in the communities where we live and work. Over the course of our 45-year history, we have redefined the customer experience for more than 120,000 customers across the Midwest. By 2025, our goal is to redefine the customer experience for over 200,000 customers. And if you're ready for that, then we're ready for you.